look at this cat leash set. We get a collar with a bell. It's adjustable, and it has the snappable clip like that for the quick, easy release.
The harness part itself is kind of designed like an H, so it's meant to be escape-proof.
The leash has this more comfort strap, and leash overall itself is of a more comfortable material, so it shouldn't make your cat feel unpleasant.
The clip, it just opens just like that, and that will attach right here to her back, just like that, so she's ready to go.